Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by finding every K-wire and confirming where each leads. This prevents accidental disconnection of essential circuits. Power down and remove all sources, then use a multimeter to verify 0 volts because safety is non-negotiable. Once done, label both ends with durable tape and a short code so you can restore routing later. Then, using insulated cutters, make the first controlled snip at an accessible point. Cut only one wire at a time and keep removed segments organized. Once the initial sections are removed, focus on the trickier middle connections where bundles cross and harnesses split. You want to strip about 1/4 to 1/2 inch of insulation for any temporary connectors or caps, and use heat shrink tubing when available to insulate. Make sure to bundle nearby wires with zip ties so they don't pull on terminations, and continuously test continuity and function after each disconnection. This confirms you're working on the correct K conductor and prevents cascading issues. To finish, properly terminate every removed K wire with the right cap or connector and use heat shrink or tape to protect the ends. Reconnect power slowly and monitor indicators and sensors. If something behaves oddly, shut down immediately. Make sure to recheck your labels and measure continuity between endpoints to ensure no unintended paths remain. One key troubleshooting tip: if faults persist, inspect grounding and shared return paths first. Many issues stem from a common ground disruption.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.